Good morning, all of you. Yesterday, I have discussed about the different types of glands and the hormones which are secreted from that glands, such as pituitary glands, thyroid glands, adrenal glands, pancreas. Now I will discuss about the next topic of this chapter, reaching the age of adolescence. The topic is reproductive health. Reproductive health of an individual is defined as health of an individual is defined as the state of physical, social, and mental well-being. It means an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl at the age of the puberty, if that boy or that girl is healthy, so there are three things: that person should be physically healthy, socially healthy, and mentally healthy also. So, in reproductive health or in phase of reproductive health, an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl is physically, mentally, and socially fit. अब reproductive हेल्थ को बनाए रखने के लिए an adolescent boy or an adolescent girls पे बेसिकली थ्री थिंग्स पे फोकस करने की नीड होती है. फर्स्ट थिंग, दैट इज द प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन. First thing, to maintain the reproductive health, an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl should take proper nutrition. Second, caring of the personal hygiene. To maintain the reproductive health, a child should care about the proper nutrition. It means उस टीनेजर बॉय और गर्ल्स की जो डाइट या फिर न्यूट्रिशन है, इट शुड बी प्रॉपर. सेकेंड, दैट बॉय और दैट गर्ल्स शुड मेंटेन द पर्सनल हाइजीन. आई विल डिस्कस this thing later. And third thing, that is physical exercise. These are the three things which is followed by an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl to maintain the reproductive health. First is proper nutrition, second is personal hygiene, third is physical exercise. So first I will discuss about the proper nutrition of an adolescent boy or girl or nutritional needs of the adolescent. So in nutritional need, an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl should take proper nutrition. It means that boy or that girl need a balanced diet. Balanced diet means adequate amount of carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, and roughage. These are the different components of a balanced diet, in which first is carbohydrate, second is protein, third is fat, fourth is vitamins, fifth is minerals, and last one is the roughage and water. If an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl not follow the concept of the balanced diet, then he or she will not physically fit, mentally fit, or socially fit. Suppose that if you take excess amount of carbohydrate, it is not good. If you take excess amount of protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, or any, so there should be a diet chart for an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl. So there are different sources of the carbohydrate such as rice, for protein pulses and meat, for fats oils and ghee, vitamins you will get from the fruits and vegetables, minerals if you take this diet in proper amount you will get minerals also, and roughage is obtained from the salad and dalia, and water means that water should be mineral rich water. So this is the first need to maintain the reproductive health of an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl. That is the nutritional need of an adolescent. During the age of puberty, we have seen different types of changes in our body, such as increase in height, change in voice, development of the reproductive organs. Personal hygiene is also maintained by an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl. How we can maintain the personal hygiene? So in previous class you have read increased activity of the sweat and sebaceous glands. Sweat glands means that gland which release sweat, and sebaceous gland that release oil to maintain the pH of the skin. So during the age of puberty, the increased activity of these two glands, sweat gland and sebaceous gland, make the body foul or smell. So an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl need to maintain the personal hygiene. It means to remove the smell of our body which is come out due to the increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. An adolescent boy or an adolescent girl take bath every day. Second, wash hands before and after meal. मतलब फूड लेने से पहले और फूड लेने के बाद यू शुड wash your hands properly. Third, wear neat and clean clothes or fabric. Third things, an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl wear neat and clean fabric. It means the fabric, कपड़े भले ओल्ड हों लेकिन वो साफ होने चाहिए, मीन्स क्लीन होने चाहिए, साथ साथ आयरन भी होने चाहिए। इससे आपको दो प्रॉफिट होगी कि जितने भी फंगस या बैक्टीरिया हैं वो क्या होंगे, रिमूव हो जाएंगे। तो इस तरह से भी हम अपनी पर्सनल हाइजीन को मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। सो दीज आर अबाउट योर सेकेंड मेंटेनेंस about the reproductive health, that to maintain the personal hygiene. Personal hygiene can maintain by bathing to remove the effect of the sweat and oils from the body. Second, wash hands before and after meal. And third, wear neat and clean fabric or clothes. Last things to maintain the personal hygiene of an adolescent boy or an adolescent girl is physical exercise. Physical exercise include many types of activities such as walking, running, playing games, and yoga. By practicing these activities such as walking, running, playing game, yoga, swimming, these are the physical exercise जिससे कि किसी भी एडोलेसेंट बॉय और एडोलेसेंट गर्ल पर डे अपने लाइफ की एक्टिविटी में इंक्लूड करना चाहिए, जिससे कि हमारा रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ बना रहे और हम लॉन्ग टाइम तक अपने आप को सोशली, मेंटली एंड फिजिकली फिट बनाए रखें। सो दीज आर अबाउट द reproductive health and how we can maintain our reproductive health. So we can maintain our reproductive health by taking a proper diet. It means balanced diet, that is the right amount or adequate amount of carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage. Second, by maintaining the personal hygiene. Personal hygiene means to remove the effect of the sweat and sebaceous gland. Second, to wear the neat and clean fabric. Third, by doing the physical exercise. In physical exercise you have seen walking, running, swimming, playing games, yoga, etc. So here your chapter is almost completed. One topic is left, that is the say no to drugs. So say no to drugs I will discuss in next video. Thank you.